Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.